What's up, guys? On today's episode, I'm gonna teach you how to reset your PS5 console. First of all, we have to check if our controller is connected, and once we see the light on our controller, it means it's connected. Then we go to the settings. After we enter the settings, we go to system. Now on the system, we can see the console information. But we want to go to reset options. So on the system, we come to reset options. But before that, it's always advisable to back up your device. So we go to backup. If you have any data on it, you can back up your PS5 or you restore. This is for the backup and restoring part. But let's imagine we've already backed up and we've restored. So we come here, we go to reset options. Now on the reset option, we go to reset your console. You see a warning there that says if you reset your PS5, all users' data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you want to continue? We want to move to the yes option. So yeah, we have our PS5 restarting. And we're going to see the process it goes through. So the console is actually resetting here. And it goes off. It comes back on again. It shows you the logo. And it goes through this PS5 demo logo. Then it goes to factory reset, where you can see the whole thing reset again. So now we need to connect our controller to the console again. You see the controller light is off. You see I keep pressing the PS button, but the light is off. So we need to connect it with the cord, just like it's showing on the TV. We need to connect the console cord to the controller. Then we put it on. That way it automatically connects. You set your country. You choose the country where you are or the language that you want. Then you can decide to set up your Wi-Fi, but I'm going to click do this later. Then set up the display for the color contrast. This is usually good for those with eye problems, but I like to let the whole thing disappear before I come to the next setting to show the visibility. This is mainly for the display of your PS5 in light and dark mode. So we're gonna do that, set all that up. Then right, so we're gonna choose, we're gonna set it up the brighter and the darker part. We choose our time, optimized experience. Then we agree to the software license. That's all you need to do. You set up your user and your device is back to being a brand new PS5. So we have all that data there. You see, welcome to PlayStation 5. And after doing that, you have your device reset. See ya.